Good morning, good morning. Topic for today is get on the track. Kung makakalimot. Yun ako makakalimutan. Kapag tinatamad ka gawin yung mga long-term goals, get back on a track. Be a reminder. Yung long-term effects, long-term goals na kailangan mo tapusin. It's all about being consistent. So, makakalimutan yan. Stay disciplined. You have to work on yourself. Alam mo, marami bang kailangan i-build na wala yun. Mindset. The feeling of perseverance. The feeling of pain. You have to love that. Para pagdating ng panahon, hindi ka mahihirapan kasi nga your body evolved and your body adjusts. Your body became a better version of yourself. So, solid. Huwag makakalimot. Get on the track. Sana hindi ako nakapag-video pero kagahapon ba yun? Hindi, makalipas ang isang araw. Galing ako Land Point. So, ayun. Sometimes I just realize na, diba? Bigyan mo din ng laan yung sarili mo. Parang mag-enjoy. And then, mag-try ka rin ng something na iba. Parang you have to stay consistent on the long term, pero meron ditong short term goal na, 'di ba? Nakaka-fulfill na darating sa iyo sa isang araw. So you have to show up on that. And then ayan. And enjoy mo lang yung experience na mararanasan mo, and laging tiyan mo the feeling of relaxation, the feeling of learning, the feeling of situation, experience na pwede ka matuto doon. It's all about growing. It's all about growing talaga. Sa lahat ng bahay. It's all about trial and error. Then become a better failure and become improving. It's not a perfection, but it's all about being a better person. Like this one, medyo maulan so dapat stationary tayo sa bahay, pero so hindi ko siya ginawa. Ang ginawa ko exercise, linis tayong bahay, ibang bagay naman. So ayun, may nagbabago, hindi naman araw-araw mong gagawin yun, pero diba, yung one day na nagawin mo isang bagay na yun, malaking tulong kasi nga, diba, in your room, maganda tingnan, presko tingnan, maluwag tingnan, hindi mainit sa pakiramdam. Alam mo yung klima, ganun. So, that's it. Marami pang ibang bagay na short term pero napakahalaga. May ganun din naman. So, pag nasobrahan tayo, makakalimot tayo. So, it's all about balancing. Be a reminder for yourself na kung makakalimot sa ano talaga yung di ba? Yung dapat, nararapat. Actually, kapag hindi talaga nag-exercise, hindi talaga ako nakakain ng healthy. So kapag nasimula mo siya ng isang 1 week, hindi ka nakapag-exercise, the next thing, parang it's like a domino effect na ka na-exercise dito, di ka nakakain ng healthy. So yun ang kailangan bagayin dun Stay on the track and do the jogging, do the exercise, and eat healthy. Kasi nakakain ko ngayon frozen foods yun yung available. So medyo nagtitipid din tayo, may pera naman pero nagtitipid pa din. So actually mali yan kasi when it comes to quality of eating, ayos lang maging magastos basta yung hinakain mo healthy. So I'm gonna end this vlog and I will buy, alam mo na, gulay, and gonna cook that healthy foods, and pahinga, linis ng sala, and then, ayun, makapagbasa din. And then, that's all. Ayun.